किधर है अपना शेर? अरे शेर
क्या बात है, क्या बात है। 2000 किलोमीटर से 2000 किलोमीटर पे।
We are at Pune station now and we're going to Bombay. Our train leaves at 3:45. So yeah, let's go. What's up, Cyrus? Cyrus finally makes the trip. He finally joins us. Yeah. You've not been a part of the vlog. Today you'll be part of a vlog, you know? So you'll know what you missed. Let's go. Where are we going at it? That's up to Shahid. Train journey, yeah?
Side is first time we drop to.
First time.
Exactly.
The first vlog we missed years ago. I will know what we're missing. Shahid, Rahul, I think. Of course. Woo! Let's go. We reached Dadar. It's 8 o'clock and we've reached Bombay. We're going for a waterfall trek tomorrow. And the group that we're going with picks us up from here at 10. So yeah, we have a few hours to spare. Where are we going now, bro?
Just reached Dadar.
Yeah. Going to search something to eat. Shahid, like always, walking in front. So yeah, searching some place to eat. After eating, we come back. Then we need to go by bus. Cool. See you. Wait for vlog. 4.0. Arey, idhar hi to hai vlog. This is the vlog. Wait for the next vlog. Until the next. Where are we going, bro?
We're going to Marine Drive now.
We're going to Marine Drive.
We're running for a local.
Yeah.
We're walking for a local.
Become Bombay people now, bro.
Give a chance to the climate.
Yeah, it's not that hot.
At the moment, let's wait for tomorrow, bro. क्या तुम लोग का स्लिप हो रहा है क्या?
क्या?
शूज स्लिप हो रहा है?
No.
ट्रैकिंग में चप्पल से ले
Yeah.
We're back in the local. Vlog 2.0 on the way to Marine Drive.
और
We are at Dadar, low local. We met the fast local.
1000 रुपए दादर स्टेशन स्पेशल
We thought Rizul was missing in this trip, but we found Rizul. Hi Rizul! Ice cream sandwich, and we are at K. Rustam on Marine Drive. Legendary place apparently. Let's try it. Heading back to the station now to take the local back to Dadar. Let's go. And now we are going back. we were at Marine Drive for like 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. Yeah. Trying out the hypes.
Yeah. It takes a long time to finish the list. There was like 20 ice creams and I got a snap of it. 20 ice creams. Yep.
Let's go now, local train back to Dadar. And then I think we have the bus from there. Yep.
We got the fast local.
Won't stop anywhere.
That extra fast catch up.
Huh? Let's go. Let's go. This is our bus, and now we're gonna go. It's 12 a.m. and we're stuck in traffic. Ending today's vlog here itself. See you once we reach in a couple of hours. Bye bye.